everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn the role of schools in promoting recycling. Schools play a big role in teaching us how to take care of our planet. They teach us that recycling means using old things to make new ones. Schools have special bins where we can put paper, plastic, and cans. Teachers show us why it's important to recycle and protect our earth. They encourage us to bring reusable lunch boxes and water bottles. Schools organize events to collect old electronics and batteries for recycling. They teach us about composting and how it helps plants grow. Schools invite experts to talk to us about why recycling is so good. Kids in school often do projects using things we have recycled. By recycling at school, we learn to take care for the environment and make a big difference. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.